Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Topic today, I have used how to convert text to M Mtext or convert Mtext to text. Okay, now you look on screen. This is Mtext. Mtext. How to know this property text? You select text and open property dialog. Open property dialog. You see here mtest. Okay, so now the first you select and then click type explore command, enter, select object, select text. You look property dialog, text. Okay, so how to convert text to mtest? Select text and then click select convert to mtest filter. Okay, click here. Now we test research. Select test. You see, you look here, mtest. Okay, very easy. Now we practice again. Okay, select mtest, explore, test. Okay, select test and then select convert to test filter. Click here. Okay, select that. You look the property dialog mtest. Okay, very easy. This video tutorial is the end. If you feel this video is helpful, you can subscribe, like and share this video tutorial to everyone. Okay, thank you so much.